What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. Hey, I just got off a coaching call with one of my students, and I wanted to share some wisdom with you guys today. If you notice up above, the question says, what do you do when tenants are holding up your deal? You see, most of us are wholesaling, and this group is all about how you virtually wholesale and get better. And so if you haven't already checked out the 2 years worth of live content, cold calls, make sure you check that out. But first, I want to talk to you today about tenants and how they can really hang up your deal. You see, I've been wholesaling now for almost 8 years, and in that, doing thousands of transactions, we still, just like you, get tenants that hold up the deal. This little bunny just distracted me. I got a little bunny that just ran over there. But sorry about that. Got a little sidetracked there. But tenants can be just like little bunnies, right? Like tenants can distract you and take you away from your game and really make you lose focus. And so I wanted to give you guys 3 solutions or 3 options when tenants are holding up your deal. Number 1, just get the deal under contract and see if somebody will buy it the way that it is with the tenants in there. Number 2, and more so along the route of what I like to do, is the owner of the property. They have the leverage in the situation. And so if you can set out the close date, work with them, get them time to have the tenants make arrangements, that's a win-win. And because they have the leverage, if they need to evict them, they are going to be the ones that you want to do that. So set the expectations like, hey, Bob seller, Bob Q public seller, I know that we've got a deal on this property. I cannot close. My partners just won't close on this thing with the tenants in there. And because you have the leverage, I need you to make that phone call or we can do it together. And so I like to offer that to them and get the tenant's information and then go into that conversation on like a 3-way call and just share with the tenant like, hey, this could get really bad for you. I've been doing this for X amount of years, or I've been doing this for a while if you're just getting started. And here's what's going to happen. I'm going to evict you. You're not going to be able to find or rent a place unless you do it privately for years. And I surely know that you don't want something like that holding you back from growing and moving on with this chapter in your life. And so your landlord, Bob, he's on the phone with me. He's selling the property to me. So I'm going to be your new landlord if we can work some things out. But right now I need to get in there. And so I'm going to need you to vacate the property. And if we deem that you're a good tenant and you come back through, you can always come back and lease later. But for now, I need you to move out, or Bob's going to have to evict you, and that's going to look really bad on your record. So how would you like to proceed? Would you like to go the easy route or the difficult route? So I always give the seller the option that I can handle it or they can handle it. And then I give the tenant the option that Bob can handle it or I can. And if I have to get involved, it's going to be a lot worse. And then third, the last and final option is really just kind of strong-arming the tenants or considering paying them. And people call this cash for keys. You call it what you want, but you get the tenant to basically move out. And in place of doing that, you offer them a cash incentive. Like, hey, I'm going to close on this deal. And if you're out by that time, I give you $500. Or if you're out by this time, I give you $1,000, but I need to make sure that you're out first. Fair enough? So I like to give those 3 options. So that's 3 tips for you guys. If you've got tenants holding up your deals, if you're just coming in and watching this, go back and watch the replay. You'll see maybe a cute little bunny back here behind my grill on the patio. And I got a little distracted, but yeah, those are 3 options. When tenants are holding up your deals, you have all the leverage because you don't need the deal, right? Remember this. You can only work with people that are serious about working with you. So if you're interested in wanting to know more and want to know how I've closed over 7,000 transactions, completely virtual, only walking 3 properties, shoot me a private message, jump on my calendar. Let's have a 10-15 minute conversation and see how I can help you and your team grow bigger, better, faster. Meantime, you guys, I love you. God bless you. Stay sharp, and I'll see you at the top. Take care, y'all.